Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8 and we want to give a theory about compound words figure of speech, which is idioms. Idioms. Idiom is an expression that conveys something different from its literal meaning and that cannot be guessed from the meanings of its individual words. An idiom is essentially a common phrase with a meaning that can't be understood by looking at its individual words. They are those funny parts of our everyday speech that we use to communicate thoughts, ideas, and feelings without referring to them literally. It's a type of figurative language alongside metaphors, similes, and hyperbole. Examples: a piece of cake, suatu pekerjaan atau tugas yang sederhana dan sangat mudah dilakukan. For the example of the sentence is, I expected the English test to be difficult, but it was a piece of cake. And lanjut dengan keep your chin up. Don't worry, you'll find something soon. Keep your chin up, buddy, and don't stress. And the next material will be presented by my friend Kumaila Zahra.
Okay, my name is Kumaila Zahra. Next is, why do we use idioms? Since idioms are a type of figurative language, they can help to make our writing more interesting. They express an idea in an unusual or imaginative manner, making it more engaging for the reader. And idioms can help make our writing more informal and familiar if that's the tone you're going for. If you are working on a piece of fiction, then the idioms can make character and their dialogue scenes more authentic and realistic. Jadi idiom itu selain satu jenis bahasa kiasan, idiom juga dapat membantu membuat tulisan kita lebih menarik. Terus kita dapat mengekspresikan ide dengan cara yang tidak biasa atau lebih imajinatif sehingga lebih menarik bagi pembacanya. Terus idiom juga dapat membantu membuat tulisan kita lebih informal dan familiar. Jika kita lagi ngerjain sebuah karya fiksi, idiom juga dapat membuat karakter si dialognya tuh tampak lebih autentik dan realistis. And next is, when shouldn't we use idioms? Just as important as understanding what is an idiom is knowing when to use them to the most effect and when not to. Idioms express something completely different to what the words actually mean, so we have to be careful about when and where we use them. And typically, we wouldn't use idioms in more formal situations, such as an important essay. This is because idioms tend to be considered informal, something you say casually with friends and family. And last is, we should also be careful about idioms when speaking to non-English speakers. They might understand the literal translation of the idiom, but not the underlying message of what you're really trying to say. This can make things needlessly confusing. Jadi sama pentingnya dengan memahami apa sih idiom itu, yaitu mengetahui kapan menggunakannya secara maksimal dan kapan tidak menggunakannya. Terus idiom itu mengungkapkan sesuatu yang sangat berbeda dengan arti sebenarnya dari kata tersebut. Jadi kita harus berhati-hati dalam menentukan kapan dan di mana kita menggunakan si idiom itu tadi. I think enough from our explanation. So I hope you guys can be more careful to use idiom. And I think enough from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.